General Motors aims to turbocharge its non-vehicle revenue by introducing dozens of new fee-based digital features by 2026, including one enabling a car to predict when it will need maintenance, a top executive said on Thursday. We have 50-some value-added products and services that we'll be rolling out over the next 36 to 48 months, Steve Carlisle, president of GM North America, said at an investor conference. Carlisle said GM's OnStar unit, which now offers insurance in addition to concierge services to drivers, generates about $32 a month per customer, and its enhanced Super Cruise Driver Assist feature will further bolster that. The new digital products, including in-vehicle subscriptions, will be supported by GM's Ultifi software and connectivity platform. Ultifi also will enable over-the-air software updates, and help drivers and passengers with tasks such as online shopping. Carlisle said some of the digital features are designed to take advantage of larger displays that GM is installing on the GMC Hummer EV, Chevrolet Silverado EV, Cadillac LYRIQ and other future electric vehicles. The bigger screens on our EVs will enable us to bring more of the data-oriented software products to the customers, he said. He also said GM is considering flexible pricing options for a number of those digital features, including monthly, annual and lifetime subscriptions. The introduction of more data-driven services and products is part of CEO Mary Barra's plan, announced last October, to double GM's annual revenue to around $280 billion by 2030.